From brainstorm to blueprint, turn your visions into reality with the Panorama Assessment Tool. Welcome to the Panorama Assessment Tool, PAT, guide. Let's walk you through a quick tutorial on how to update your personal and business information. Navigate to Profile from the sidebar menu on the left. Here you can view your personal and business information which you enter during your onboarding. On the Personal Information section, you can change your first name, last name, title, responsibilities, and your provided phone number. Simply update the information here you want to change and click on the Save Changes button after you have updated your information. The information will be saved. Now to change your business information, click on the Business Info section. On the Business Info section, you can change your business name, business type, business stage, industry, website, business address, and more. After you have entered your new information you want to change, click on the Save Changes button and the information will be saved. And that's it. You now know how to change your personal information and business information from your profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and if you have any queries, contact us at info@panoramamas.com.